Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay and this is Vroom Vroom. It's been a while since I posted on YouTube and there's a good reason for it. Over the summer I had the opportunity to buy 6 bikes and I did. And these were really nice bikes in the end. Took a bit of work, as you've probably seen over the last few videos, but they were ready for resale. The problem is, because of the prices and the way that the bike market has just gone recently, I've had a lot of trouble selling these bikes, and well, these are them now. Out of the 6 bikes, I still have 4, and this is despite every one of those bikes being the cheapest on Marketplace by a mile. I'm going to take you through them quickly. This is my daily rider, the Triumph Speed Triple 1050R. This is up for 3,750. It's a 2012 plate. Yes, it's Cat-N, but it is the cheapest by a mile on Marketplace. This Z750, now you may remember that I swapped this for the BMW, which was a very nice bike, had a new clutch in it, and this was the result of the swap, and this has come out beautifully, and this isn't categorized, and it's a 2007. It's beautiful, and it's up for £1,500, which is the cheapest on Marketplace by about £400. And I've done a special advertisement on this last week, had over 2,000 views. One person inquired, and that resulted in nothing. So Suzuki, now some of you remember this on the channel, this is another beautiful bike. It's the Isle of Man edition, special edition, and despite some of these being on eBay for £6,000, obviously they're not Cat-N, and they are very nice examples, but at £3,250 this should have just leapt out of the door. And I've had lots of inquiries on it, lots and lots of stupid offers, even though I've put on the advert, do not bid me. This bike is the cheapest, this is what they're selling for, and it's still here. And lastly, this, the Z650, again, a bike on the channel. It is beautiful. Yeah, it's Cat-N, but all of the carbon fiber panels, well, carbon fiber effect panels, have been replaced. Everything has been done on this bike, and it rides absolutely fantastic with a year's MOT. And on the 2019 plate, I can't sell this at £2,500, which again is about £500 less than any other Z650 on Marketplace at the time of filming. So I need to do something. Now, what I've noticed on the Z650 is that it doesn't photograph particularly well because the carbon fiber effect, even though it's absolutely beautiful and stunning, doesn't come out very well in pictures. So I have looked for a decal set for this and stickers, and I can't find anything without buying a whole decal set. I don't want to do that. I just need some little accents here and there. So I was a little bit stuck with what to do. And you may notice the back wheel's got the lime green going around it where the front wheel wasn't, because the back wheel was replaced. So decals were a no, stickers were a no, couldn't find anything that's done it. So I have spoken to my brother, who is done wraps in the past. He's actually quite good at it, and I've bought some lime green wrap because I'm going to make my own stickers for this bike to see how it comes out. So what I'm thinking at the moment, and this is yeah, we will have to see on this, is we do need something on this panel. So we may go for maybe an oblong, maybe down to there and back up again on there. We may accent that slightly with just a line going down it. We may do something on the tank there, or maybe that side panel there. And we can fill in the little indents on the back there. They're nice easy ones. And we'll try and cut a couple for the front wheel, even though the lime green isn't exactly the same as the back. So that's the plan. The wrap cost me £11.99. Let's see how it goes. So there's the wrap, there's the bike. Now that's a bit more yellowy up there. It's not bad on the frame colour, and it does kind of match the rear wheel. Again, that's a little bit more yellowy, so this is either going to go really, really well or really, really badly. Place your bets. So just with this one, I've just cut a little bit off. What I'm going to do is just try and get the general shape. My fingernail. And then once it's done, just cut it out. So, right, so I've got a general shape, and then we'll just tidy that up once I know that it's going to be okay. Right, so I've put a bit on the front mudguard, down by the engine case, and on the side panel. I'm going to do 2 more bits. We'll redo that insert down the bottom because I wasn't pleased with that, and I'm going to do a little bit down by the radiator cover, just a line going down, and that will be it. But I mean, I'm quite liking it. Let's see how it turns out in the end. So that's that bit done. I redone the back bit on the wishbone. Yeah, redone all the bits, and I think actually it looks a little bit better. So I'll show you a picture of the before. The only thing I haven't done yet is the wheels, but I'm just still trying to work out the best way to do them. I might use a bit of card, which I think is probably going to be my best bet, and then as a template. But it's kind of if I can be bothered, and if it's going to actually make any difference. Those bits it's made it look a lot more, I think it looks a lot more sellable in that, like that, but we'll have to see. We'll take some more pictures of it, I'll stick it out online, and then I'll drop a video in. But so that's where I'm going to leave it for now. I'll get the other side done, and it's going to be obviously just the same as the front side, so I'll be happy with that. But it's and just for comparison, that's the other side. So it's a little bit of work to do, but nothing major, and hopefully it'll look a lot better. If you are interested in these bikes, then drop me a message. If you do want to see bikes getting restored, repaired, etc., then please subscribe, and until next time, when hopefully I've got a new bike to fix, take care guys, ride carefully.